Roots and Roots is about young musicians, dancers and media makers with different cultural and artistic backgrounds who want to professionalize their talent but do not always know the ways that lead to the established stages, the art schools and the media institutions. Roots and Roots was founded in the Netherlands in 2001 and since then it has developed into an international project that is being organized in over 10 European countries.
Roots and Roots.
Nous, l'idée de la création, c'est déjà de faire en sorte que les gens se rencontrent, s'accordent sur une esthétique commune. Nous, l'idée, les intervenants, c'est de cadrer tout ça, de donner la ligne directrice, de donner des pistes.
Working with different people, putting together different things, and everybody got their own vibe, their own style, and the mix is great.
Also ich mache bei Roots and Roots mit, weil ich einfach Erfahrungen sammeln will von anderen Tänzern, von Teilnehmern sowie von Lehrern auch. Und ja, es macht total Spaß.
Roots and Roots.
Sono contento di partecipare a questa seconda edizione di Roots and Roots in maniera tale che mi dia la possibilità di dare sbocco alla mia creatività video art.
Egy operatőr szerintem folyamatosan tanul, elsősorban a hibáiból persze, de hogyha kap egy olyan képzést, ami most a Roots and Roots is volt,
s van, aki láthatatlanban ócsáról. Cél, hogy a fellegekbe kúsztassalak egy vér dócsából, ha magad alatt vagy, persze könnyű mondanom, hogy de ha csak egy embernél bejön, már megérte, szóval Music is my life, music is my everything. Come on! Come on!
From a mission point of view, is what we try to do is try to raise that self-confidence and giving them an opportunity to be involved in various projects and meeting others who may have similar goals, ideas, and perspective.